Hi everybody, welcome back to another quick unboxing, and today I have the AX6000 by Xiaomi. It's basically a home router and you can use it for gaming and also for streaming. It's very professional and kind of big in size, so I'll start with an unboxing of course and talk more about the specs. So here you can see it supports the latest Wi-Fi 6 standard and also 6E standard. And of course it supports mesh connectivity and 4K QAM, meaning you can stream videos pretty smooth with this device. So of course this router can be connected to all of Xiaomi smart products, as you can see here on the back side of the package. And you have more information about the bandwidth you have with this router, of course, and the Ethernet port. So this one has one 2.5 gigabyte Ethernet port, and an additional 3 gigabyte ports, or 1.5 I think. So you have a total of 4 Ethernet ports. So let's start with the unboxing and we'll see what's included inside. So first thing first, you have here an Ethernet cable, a type 5 cat E, I think. Let's see. So it's pretty standard, and also the power adapter, user guide in Chinese language. You basically don't need it. So you can see we have 7 antennas and 1 IoT antenna is included also. So it's pretty massive and big. It's very professional, and you can see how big it is. So you need some space if you are planning to place it on a table, of course. Another option is also to use this router by Xiaomi. It's a nice option. You can use it for mesh connectivity and place it on the shelf, so you can increase the coverage. The AX1800, it's pretty good. So you can combine both of them to increase your coverage, Wi-Fi coverage, so it's pretty good. So I hope you enjoyed my quick unboxing, and thank you for watching my video. Bye.